Could it be the best Pokemon card opening imaginable for the sealed collection, for investing? Quite possibly. Could it reach us through the boundaries so we could open the dun-dun-dun, the 1K opening? What about the dun-dun-dun, the box? Is that the 800 sub opening? No, 800 sub opening is over there. A mystery box, Pokemon TCG. We gotta get into that faster than... Wait, where are the lightning energies? I can't say a lightning storm then. Oh well, let's get into it. What's up everyone, Ben F Productions. So in today's episode I will be opening a few mystery packs. I'm not gonna open up the packs, and we're just gonna see what we got. Well, we got the code card for the 700. It will be added to either Louis the 14th, Baby Charmander, or Pokemon Cards 1.1.4, or Mr. Lexi. Let's go through our first pack, and it is a Vivid Voltage. And our next one is Battle Styles. Styles of Battle. And let's see what's up next. Ooh, Darkness Ablaze. No, Darkness Ablaze. There's a Charizard in there. It goes, roar! But where's all the Zards? They're hidden back there somewhere. You've seen them all before, right? Let's get into our next mystery bundle pack type deal. If I could organize the phone correctly. If it stays, if it wants to, I don't know. It has a mind of its own. But you're getting a look at the studio. The Epic Studio. Epic Studio! Who has an Epic Studio? Epic Tube HD does. Code card for the giveaway? Let them know. Ben F Productions sent you. Let's go for the middle this time. Ooh, what's this? Another Darkness? The Darkness that's all around us. Shout out Old Time Pokey. The Darkness. Hey, the Darkness rewarded us with a Darkness Ablaze. That's our second one. And then next is Pika Pika Vivid Voltage. Sounds like French. Bonjour. And then next one is, do we have a Battle of the Styles? Styles of the Battle? Yup, we do. You go bye-bye. Alright. And next we open up a tin. We go a Pika Pikachu. And then, another Pika Pikachu. Information, we don't need that. There's a code card. You got a code card. Hip hip hooray! Maybe I'll give more out later on. So we got Go of the Pokemon and Okamon of the Go. Okamon of the Go? That sounds weird. Ooh, not behind my chair, silly. And we got Chansey, or is it Blissey? You go bye-bye, and then we got Pika again. We got Chansey. There's another Pokemon of the Go, and the Go of the Pokemon, and the over of the I don't know what I'm saying. Gibberish. We speak gibberish on this channel. So we got two Go's of the Pokemon. Then we'll open this one, the Garp Magic Garp. Pika Pika Pikachu. Garp Magic Garp. Here's another code for all my snipers out there. And another pack. And another pack. Out of here. Let's do our last one. Sign fell. Now you don't know what channel you're on. Well, it says it right there, so. Here's another Pika Pika Pikachu. It goes, Bree! Was that Butterfree that makes that sound? I'm not sure. There's another code card for all you snipers out there. More packs. And, it's gone. Let's open up some Tempest of Silver. Tempest of Silver? Silver Tempest, Ben. Get it together, buddy. Wait, I'm talking to myself now? I guess so. Ooh, a Lugia! We found a Lugia in one of the episodes. On an Orange Island episode. As a Vulpix! I don't know what sound this Pokemon makes. Let's keep going. Ooh, tough one. I have no idea what sound that makes. We got another Vulpix. If you haven't already, well, I don't know. Have you already? You should have. Lugia. The Lugia. Like, subscribe, comment, and binge watch. Ooh, I don't know. We got packs galore here. Vulpix! Is this another Vulpix? Come on, let's see. Vulpix? No, no Vulpix. Oh well. Maybe this is a Vulpix. Is it a Vulpix? Come on, open. Vulpix! Lugia! Let's see, what else do we open? Ooh, here's all the goes. The Pokemon goes. Probably gave that code card away already, I guess. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think so. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But this is all we've opened so far. What should we open? Oh, we got more tins. Look. More tins over there. Let's get into it. And then in my next episode or whenever, I'm gonna actually I'll crack open all these packs. Pika Pika! Oh, upside down. Pika Pika! Garp Garp Magic Garp. That didn't make a sound when it went over my shoulder. Code for you all. It's gone. 2 more goes. Pokemon goes, of course. That made a sound. Let's move Totodile out of the way. Goes. I can't make a sound of a Totodile. Ooh, the other one fell too. It's another Vulpix. And a Vulpix. I might give one away for a giveaway. Maybe I'm not going to give this one away. This will be unsealed. Right here. But maybe I'll give one of these away in a giveaway. It's a Vulpix. Wait, that's not the sound of a Vulpix. Oh, maybe, maybe not. I don't know. What was I doing? Oh, let me get into a... No, you go bye-bye. I'm going everything everywhere. This is still buttoned up in a thing? Buttoned up. I think it still has wrapping on it. Oh, wow. Thought I unwrapped all of them. Make it easier for myself. Guess not. Okay. Well, while you're waiting, like, share, comment, subscribe. Make sure you're checking out Pokeball and Mike, Pokemart TCG, Old Time Pokey. Who else? Max VMAX Plays. Actually, oh gosh. Oh, here's a code for y'all. 1, 2, 3. Bye bye. Max VMAX Plays. At the time of this recording, well, what's today? Sunday. So Sunday, I actually, whatever Sunday's date is, I don't know. Here's the Pika Pika! No. Well, yeah, sure. Why not? But, whenever today's date is, I just won a giveaway from Max VMAX Plays. You're gonna see that in a future episode. Are you enjoying this, crazy little unboxing that I'm doing? Because this unboxing wouldn't be as special without my good friend Pika Pika! And... Ooh, what Pokemon is this? Oh, that's a, I don't know. Let me know what Pokemon that is. Ooh, I moved the camera. Ooh, a code for you all. Lucky. Ooh, more Go. Pokemon Go. Oh my gosh. You're going on the floors. On the floors? I only got 1 floor. Why am I saying floors? I fixed the camera again. Camera is it's a weird camera angle. There we go. Let's see. Oh, should I get into these games one day? I finally got them. I finally bought them on the Black Friday deals. I'll get them in. I'll get to playing them one of these days. So next we have Chansey. No, the evolved form is Blissey. And then we got a Pika Pika Pikachu. All right, so now we open it. Now let's struggle those reels. Oh, maybe not. Huh? Guess not. Guess it's easier than I thought. I guess the first tin is the hardest, right? Did I open it all? I think I have 1 little strip left of plastic. There we go. Now we open this. Let's see. Over the shoulder. It's gone. Pika Pika! Chansey! Blissey! Whatever your name is! Code card for you all. 1, 2, it's gone. Pack. Tin, get out of here. Now we go for the next one. Is wrapper on this, right? Yeah. Okay. Ooh, you enjoying this? I don't know. Is this intriguing to you? Do you like me watching? Do you like me struggling? Do you like watching me trying to open stuff? I guess. I don't know. Ooh, what's that on the side? I got mystery packs. Who's on the cover? I think Sabrina, right? It says, look for vintage packs inside. Ooh, wow, vintage packs. Should I open them? No, I'm gonna keep them in the sealed collection. Ooh, what do we got? Ooh, you go over the shoulder. Ooh, it's a Pika Pika! And, Pika Pika! And it's a code card! 1, 2. Yay, I counted! Yay! Alright, what should I open next? What? Ooh, look! It's Evolving Skies. Alright, let's go. Come on! Open! Ah! I'm losing daylight here. I'm losing hours. I don't know what I'm losing. I'm losing my mind. Come on! Oh, I need the scissors. Where are the scissors? Ah! Let's open them. Oh my gosh! Ah, why am I losing my mind? Oh my god! PPP! Positive Pokemon players! Ooh! Yo! Rabbit Strike Urshifu! Holy cow! Yo, that was our bonus card. Nice! Who expected that? I didn't. Well, it's going to be sleeved up. I don't know if I have it. I think I have it. Let's check out the back. Check out the centering. Don't know? Not good at that. Let's check out the front. That's all we care about, right? Is it even? Looks a little misshapen, but we sleeve it up anyway. Shoutouts Pokemon TCG. Did I give him a shout out already? Well, anyway, check out Pokemon TCG. He's doing some really phenomenal things. He's gonna have a coin pusher. He's gonna have... Where are my other packs? There we go. He's gonna have a coin pusher. He has an arcade machine. Ooh, Vivid Voltage! He's gonna have a coin pusher. He's going to have a slot machine. He's going to have... He does a weekly card giveaway. He does... What else does he do? You would know if you're a member of his channel. He streams all the time. When's all the time, you may ask? Sunday and Monday. Sunday and Monday, really? Yes, Ben, Sunday and Monday. He streams Sunday and Monday. Sunday and Monday. Ooh, Vivid Voltage. Ooh, may the first be with you, my son. Now let's go. I'm crazy. I'm a crazy, crazy man. Let's go. Ooh. Am I opening the pack? Ooh, I did it. Ooh, lucky me. Ooh, lucky me. Lucky. Now let's go. Be careful with scissors. You don't want to cut yourself. Ooh, I moved the camera again. Oh, I'm so clumsy. Ooh, another card. We got a Wigglytuff. You're going bye-bye. Oh, wait, I should have... Oh, no. I dropped the camera. Oh, well. A good adventure for you all. Should I edit that out? I don't know how to edit things out. Ah! What pack is this? Oh my gosh! It's a Vivid Voltage! Oh my gosh! What should we open up next? How about Origins? The Origins, they're lost. Ah! Let's find them. Let's find the Origins. Oh my gosh. Packs galore. Look at all the packs. Oh my gosh. Packs. Oh, that's in a card. That's in a sleeve. Packs. Ah! Oh, I missed one. Ah! I missed a pack. It'll go bye. See, more packs. Let's open this one. Don't fall, Vulpix. Oh, that's it. I gotta do it. I'm crazy. Okay, goodbye. Look at all the packs. Oh, now a Tempest. The silver. It's Tempest. Oh, there's this. Oh man, it's in that thing. What thing is it? Oh, don't cut it, Ben. Don't cut it. Oh no. Oh, I can't cut it. Scissors. I need a movable thumbs. Oh no, I have them. See, thumbs. They move. Do your thumbs move? Yes, they do. Oh, let's go. Move it. I like to move it. Yes. Can't sing the song or I'll be copyrighted. Oh, there's a sleeve over there. Let's get it out. Tempest, Silver. You go bye-bye. Look at all the packs. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Oh, I am losing my mind. Oh, did I cut that? Cut. Oh, did I cut the box? Hope not. Oh, Oh, Udaba. Who's Udaba? Udaba. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, more packs. More packs. Oh, Tempest. The silver and Tempest. Oh, what else should I open? Oh my gosh. Oh, boy. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I know something. Oh, should I give you a code card? Oh, I don't know if I should give you a code card. Oh, Vulpix. And, Vulpix. Maybe I'll, what happened to the other Vulpix? I lost it. Oh my gosh. Oh no, here, I'll open these. Oh, look what I got. Look. Yu-Gi-Oh! The servant! The Pharaoh servant! No, it's not the Pharaoh servant, it's... I can't read. Let's open it. Yu-Gi-Oh! It's time to duel! Why am I speaking in such a high voice? I don't know. Let's go. Oh, my packs, they fell. Okay. Nice and slow. And, oh, I did it. Oh, and we got the hollow. Oh, they're all hollows. Let's find out. Hollow. All the hollows, they're so beautiful. I know I've Yu-Gi-Oh card sleeves somewhere, but let's put them to the side. Now, where are the other Yu-Gi-Ohs? Here they are. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Actually, no, I already lost my mind. You know why? Because it's very late. What time is it even? I don't even know. Why am I cutting packs open this way? Do I want to save these packs as well? I don't know if Pokemon TCG collects Yu-Gi-Oh packs. Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh! The power of Yu-Gi-Oh compels you! Now let's get into our... How many more do we have? Let's get into more. Ooh, first edition! English! They're all English. First edition. First editione. Let's go. Over the shoulder. Oh my gosh! Ooh! That's powerful! Could you see it? It's scary. Ooh. Blah, blah. Scary. Let's go into more. Yu-Gi-Oh! It's time to duel! Maximilian Pegasus! Tristan! Taya! Grandpa! More card. Ooh! Sky Striker Ace Token. Ooh, a token. That means I could get on the train. Huh? Where should I go? Manhattan? Maybe I should meet Epic Tube HD in Manhattan. Oh, no, they're not in Manhattan anymore. Oh, well. Yeah, they're back. They were in Manhattan a long time ago. Well, not that long ago. Did I cut a card? Oh, no. Did I cut a card? Oh, I hope not. Ooh, here's the hollow. Ooh, PokéDiz just went live. I think. I don't know. Did he? I'm not sure. I don't know. I saw a notification for PokéDiz. I don't know if he just went live, or that was the video posted, and that was... Oh, why isn't this cutting? Cut, freak you. Oh, ooh, I moved the camera again. Ooh, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I can't get the... Oh my gosh, can't get the cards out. Oh, I did it! Yay! Opposable thumbs, yay! Oh, holographic. Oh, what a set. Well, hollows. Oh, I think this is the last Silver Tempest. Silver Tempest, this is Yu-Gi-Oh! Get your head together. Get your head in the game. Isn't that part of... I'm not going to say what that's part of, because maybe I'll be copyrighted for that. But I don't care. Because I don't do card openings to be monetized. Ooh, more cards. More cards for the glory. The glory. Okay, so what about these? Should I open these? Oh, a lot of Astro Radiance. Maybe I'll keep them sealed. Look at all these. These are packs. Well, duh. They're evolving skies. The skies are gonna evolve. Is that too close to the camera? They're gonna evolve. I need, I think, 3 more packs to get an ETB. And these are, let's see, this is Hidden Fates. I'm not gonna open that. Ooh, maybe Burning Shadows. Shadows are burning? My shadow, it's burning? Ah! It's burning! Ah! I'm afraid. Ah! Let's put that back over there. What else could I open? What else for the viewing pleasure? Oh, I know. I know right now. Wait. Oh, no, packs. Packs, they're falling on the floor. Ooh, 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 excuse me. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I shouldn't make that sound. I'll open this. Oh, what's this? What's this? What's this? Anything inside of this? It's white. Let's admire. Ooh, too close to the camera, Ben. Let's admire. Let's read the back. The back has information. Do you read the back? Well, now you could read it. And guess what? 3, 2, 1, and it's gone. Oh my gosh, I did something. Yes, I did. It's Vulpix. He's in his natural surrounding, natural habitat. He's in a mountain range. Is he called? Let's check out the other side. What Pokemon is that? I have no idea. Let me know. What Pokemon is that? It is a Lugia. We found him in the Orange Islands one day. Do you remember that episode? We got another one. Let's open. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a surprise. We got the best part of this box that no one wants to miss out on. Really, who cares about Pokemon when you have a brick of energies? This is the best part. Now I can end the video right now. No, let's keep it going. What's in this? Let's see. Oh, dice. The best part. We don't need what's inside. We got energies and dice. Yay. What do we have here? Oh, I dropped things. Oh no. Tempest. Silver Tempest. Tempest of Silver. And a Lugia. And a Vulpix. Okay, am I missing anything? Counters. Oh no. Yes. And one more. And one more. And one more. Do I dare? Do I dare? I dare. Anything inside? No. I dare. Let's open it. Where's the scissors? The scissors. I got the scissors. Let's bust out all these packs. Scissors, stay over there. Don't move. Don't you walk away now. Scissors, they have a mind of their own. They hide on this messy table that I have. Let's bust out some packs. Ooh, sleeve, I forgot. You're gone. It flew away like a bird, like a Spearow. You're gone. Flew away like a Spearow. Energies. Information. You're gone like a Spearow. Oh, we got a Silver Tempest promo pack full of... That's a Sunflora, right? These I save. These are cool. I'll save those. I'm not going to open them. Got more Silver and Tempest. Together it makes Silver Tempest. We get one more. We have one more to open. And then we have another one. And an ETB. And a box. Wait, I have a box. No, it's another box. I got that box from Pokemon TCG. I wonder what's in there. The possibilities. Whew, they're all around us. Here, there, and everywhere. Is that a song or is that a rhyme? I don't know. Did I rhyme something? Wait, is this... Come on, I don't know how to cut now? What the heck? Apparently I don't know how to cut now. More packs are falling on the floor. Oh well, they're not open, so they're not damaged. Come on, scissors, cut. I don't know how to cut things. Oh, good, there. Yay, I did it. Multiple thumbs, yay, woohoo. Let's go. Okay, come on, plastic, let's go. Maybe my energy is finally diminishing. I don't know. Let's go, come on. Thing. Oh, something diminished. Oh, wow, I'm getting too excited. You're in for a treat. You're in for a scare. Viewers beware. Boom, you're gone. Let's see what's in this. Like we don't know already. Informaciones. Let's go. What pack? Curlia, Whirlia, Baba Furlia. We got more packs. Lugia, Vulpix. I don't know. And I don't know. What else should we get into? Video might be long enough. I don't know. It's going well. What do you think? Should we open this? Let's crack it open. I want to get these out of off of my desk, so I have room. So let's open it, because I just need to open this stuff already. Origins, they're lost. But no, they're not lost. You're opening it right now, Ben. Wait, Ben? Ben F Productions. You gotta say my name right. Wait, who am I talking to? Myself? Yes, for those who don't know, I'm talking to myself. Pack? Oh my gosh, this ripped open. Well, I was gonna keep this box sealed anyway. Okay, you're going home. You're going home? Let's see. The best part of the box? Something that we all can't live without? Dun dun dun! The energies! A brick of them. Packs! Oh, dice. Counters, I don't know. Lost. They're origins, but they're not lost. I found them. And a pack. And a pack. Ooh. And dice, my other favorite part. We don't need packs anymore. We have dice. Who cares about the packs? We have dice and counters. Why do we need to get into packs? Is it open already? Did I open it? Maybe I need some... Maybe I need to cut more. There we go. Did I do it? Did I do it? Am I magnificent? I'm magnificent. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I did it. We did it. We did it. Hooray. I can't sing the song because I'll get copyrighted. So I said hooray instead of the other word from Blues Blues. Blues Flues. Floozy Cluesy. Floozy. Who's a floozy? You're not a floozy. You're not a floozy. Comfy. Wait. This is new. Got a gold thing around it. Huh. Wow. Well, I'm gonna keep these. I keep these sealed anyway. So we got origins. They're not lost. Cause guess what? I found them all. Look at all the origins I found. They're all over the place. As the camera keeps moving, it's always I'm a mess today. You'll find out how a mess I am when you see this video posting. You'll know that I made some. Wow. You'll know that I made some movements on the camera that were a little out there. Maybe I should have deleted this video, but it's content. And give you all a little ride. Give you all a little roller coaster. See what's in this. Oh, sleeve, I forgot. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Information, do you want to read it? I don't. Another one. Which one is this? It's the Machamp Army! Urgh. Goes away. Oh, code cards. They're all falling all over the place. Got more packs! More packs! Yes, more packs! This is all that I opened. Right there, and 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 here! Gotta open all that. Like, share, comment, subscribe, binge watch, all, what now? All social medias. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's get like, I don't know, a bazillion likes. A bazillion? I'll see y'all soon.